Making sense of a major court decision this afternoon, Alabama Supreme Court ruling the destruction of an embryo will be treated as wrongful death. And legal experts tell ABC 15's Rachel Louise Just that this could have a domino effect on IVF treatments, even eventually here in Arizona.
In vitro fertilization, or IVF, is the most successful fertility treatment ever, according to Yale Medicine. For families struggling to conceive, the process can be a gift, but it also comes with moral questions now being answered in one state's courtroom.
It's a very difficult position that they're putting in vitro fertilization in.
The Alabama Supreme Court deciding Tuesday that the state's wrongful death of a minor law, quote, applies on its face to all unborn children without limitation. When it comes to Alabama fertility clinics,
you're now going to have hanging over you wrongful death claims. Wrongful death claims could end up costing these companies thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars.
By Wednesday, the University of Alabama's hospitals stopping IVF treatments. The values driving the court's decision in Alabama also reflected in State 48.
We've had this challenge before in the state where they want to categorize embryos as humans, full humans.
Arizona has taken a more property-style view of embryos. A 2005 case decided the destruction of a couple's 5 frozen pre-embryos was not a wrongful death. More recently, in 2020, the state Supreme Court ruling a couple who broke up would have to donate their embryos at the protest of the prospective mother.
For people who are considering getting IVF right now or in the process of it, what should they be aware of?
You need to look down the road and you need to say, what do I want to happen to my embryos after I become a parent?
When it comes to remaining embryos, Sewell says you have to think about those difficult questions like, what is your moral code? What would happen if you divorced? And what would happen if your life circumstances changed? For ABC 15 Arizona, Rachel Louise Just.